Hi fellow Kamadians, today I'll be showing you how to prepare a tahini-free baba ganoush recipe. Baba ganoush is a common roasted eggplant dish found in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisine. Traditionally, you'll often find it served as a dip to go along with various types of flatbreads, but I found it pairs quite well with almost anything you would normally put a spread on. We're going to need 2 eggplants, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic that has been minced, the juice of a half a lemon, and a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. Before placing the eggplant on the grill, I'm going to take a knife and poke it all around the eggplant. This step is necessary to prevent the eggplant from exploding when it's in the Kamado. I've literally had an eggplant blow up inside my Kamado because I forgot to poke it. We gotta first char the outside of the eggplant over high heat. I've got the Kamado heated to 650 degrees and I'll leave it in there for 15 minutes. At the 7.5 minute mark, I'll turn the eggplant over to char the other side. After the eggplants are nicely charred, take them out and let them cool off until they are safe to handle. It's been about 45 minutes and the eggplants have cooled down. I'm going to cut them in half. With a spoon, I'm going to scoop out the flesh. The peel will be discarded. Place all the flesh in the colander for about 30 minutes to allow the water inside the eggplant to drain out. When the eggplants are drained, place the eggplants in a bowl and use a fork or potato masher to mash the eggplants up. I'll now add the rest of the ingredients except for the lemon juice and give everything a nice stir. I like to add the lemon juice at the end so I can taste the exact amount that's needed. Depending on the eggplants I'm working with, sometimes I need a little bit more lemon juice, or sometimes I need a little bit less. And with that, the baba ganoush is all ready. I love the touch of smokiness of the eggplant paired with the lemon juice and parsley. It can be enjoyed as a dip or used as a side salad. Once again, thanks so much for spending some time with me. Subscribe to my channel to see more food from all around the world cooked in the Kamado.